Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
All kinds of precip out there. Rain, snow, sleet, and occasionally even some heavy snow being reported tonight. 33, 7 o'clock. We'll see that wintry mix moving across the region. More likely to see snow the farther north you go. A better chance of it staying mostly snow through the evening. 34 at 9 o'clock and 34 at 11 p.m. But we'll transition the entire area back over to snow tomorrow with snow showers and temperatures expected to be in the 30s. We'll see that mostly wintry mix north tonight. North of Dayton, mostly rain along and south of I-70. Even though we transitioned here over the past hour over to some snow, we're expecting to go back to rain. And then over to some snow showers on Thursday. Much colder weather as we get to the end of the work week and even the start of the weekend. Excuse me. We have winter weather advisories in effect, mostly north of I-70. Weather Service is monitoring whether they should bring that a little farther south. Maybe Clark County, you're getting in the marginal conditions there with an inch being reported now up in Clark County of snowfall already. And we're going to see about 1 to 2 inches of snow, especially north of Interstate 70 up to about Sidney and around West Liberty. And then you go north of there, more likely to see to 2 to 4 inches tonight, an inch or less across the southern part of the region as sleet and rain will be cutting down those totals. Low temperatures tonight around 30 degrees for us, so there is that potential for ice in the morning, and then daytime highs tomorrow expected to climb up into the middle 30s. Look at this cold air come Friday morning, about 10 to 15 degrees. All of a sudden winter's going to show up. Single digits in Indiana and even below zero out in Illinois. Troy Stouter Center camera a few hours ago, it was dry, but all of a sudden the snow falling, and you can see things turning white up in Miami County. You're going to get a nice little snowfall this evening. See this yellow showing up here? This is some sleet. This is where we're starting to get that mixed precipitation surging northward with the warm air, so that rain-snow line transitioning northward. And right along it, we're also getting some heavy snow. A lot of times you'll see that, a band of heavy snow right where you transition shortly thereafter over to some sleet and some rain. We're also getting surface reports now of sleet and rain down toward the Dayton Mall around 675 and the 75 junction near Springboro. So all this heavier rain pushing northeastern. Now here's something we don't show you too often. This is what we call correlation coefficient. It kind of gives us a good idea where we're seeing that mixed precipitation, where you're seeing the yellow across northern Butler County over to about Springboro. So as you go north of there, mostly snow, south of there, rain. You can see actually that mix now around Preble County, but as it gets up into the colder air, that's transitioning over to snow too. So watch for that area to continue to shift north and northeast tonight with that heavy rain coming up from the southwest. Right now in Dayton, we have temperature readings in the low 30s. 33 with a southeast wind at 12. Feels like 24 with that breeze out of the southeast. Around freezing up at Wapakoneta, 30 at Bell Fountain, 31 in Troy. So that's why you're seeing the snow accumulating where those temperatures are below freezing north of town and a little bit above freezing south of town, allowing some of that to continue to melt. We'll see the rain push through the area tonight, mostly snow shifting to the north there and then coming back south tomorrow morning. And then we get in on the cold air for the end of the week. Tonight, a winter mix north. You saw accumulations about 2 to 4 inches. Rain mostly along south of I-70, even though we're seeing the snow right now, expecting that to go back over to some rain with accumulations generally an inch or less overnight and also an inch or less through the day tomorrow over the entire area as we see some snow showers. 32 at 10 o'clock with 34 degrees at noon, and we're up in the mid-30s in the afternoon. Upper 20s though by evening, and then look at those temperatures Friday, Saturday morning around 12. Daytime highs 23 on Friday, but back to the upper 30s with mostly sunny skies Saturday, low 40s Sunday, and rain chances back early next week on Monday and Tuesday, turning colder again on Wednesday. So